Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel today, where I'm about to do final tests on Dave's Breckwell brand analog version pellet stove controller. Dave sent me this one a couple times. He sent it to me a few years ago where I did some initial repairs on it, and this season when he went to fire up his stove he had some issues. He was concerned that the controller might have failed again, so he sent it to me for repair evaluation. I did an evaluation on it after receiving it, and I found that everything is fully functional on it. It's looking very good, looking just like when I sent it to him last time, and it's in pretty good condition. I put it on my tester for 48 hours and it's ran non-stop with no issues. I've tested all the functionality and it looks good. So I have it connected to my tester now. Let me set it to low. As you can see, my tester is made up of a few things. I have a faceplate onto which I mount the controller itself. Behind the faceplate I have an auger motor. The shaft from the auger motor comes out the front, and I have a little decal on it, X marks the spot type decal, that you will be able to see spin when the auger motor is being driven. I also have 4 light bulbs at the back. The first one represents the igniter. Truth is that this controller does not control an igniter, so this lamp will never come on. A second lamp which simulates the combustion fan, your firebox fan. A third lamp in yellow which simulates the auger. And finally, at the far end, a red marked lamp which simulates the convection or room fan. We'll see this, and this third fan work during testing. So let me go ahead and turn things on, and when I do, we'll see a couple lights come on. We have the combustion fan come on because of the circuitry that I have on my tester. And we have the room fan come on. That's pretty standard. A few tests that I can do right now is I can make the fan go to high speed if I press on high, and we see that the intensity of the light bulb changes, so that's functional. And I can change the intensity of the light bulb or fan speed by changing the position of the dial here. As you can see, it slowly changes. As I tell everybody, positions D, E, and max are hardwired together on the controller, so they do not make the fan run any faster, but they will make the auger run faster when we get there. The next thing we can do is we can check the manual feed button, and as I press that, we see the auger light come on. We see the auger light come on. We hear the auger motor spinning, and we see the X marks the spot is also spinning. On. So we see that's functional. So that's all for the manual tests. To throw the controller into automatic, I'll press on the auger button once, and when I do that, we'll see the green light here come on. We may hear the auger spin once, but that will get the auger spinning in low mode. So let's go. I'm sorry, I pressed the wrong button. Press the auger button. We see the green light come on, and we wait for the first cycle of the auger motor, which will be quite a short cycle, but it'll take approximately 20 seconds, 25 seconds before the first cycle happens. When we do that, there's a little green LED back here. We'll probably see that in the camera come on as well. I hope we do. Waiting for that first cycle. There it is. So I saw the little green light come on. I heard the auger motor spin. I saw the X marks the spot spin, and the light came on for a very short duration. Let's do that one more time. It'll take slightly less time this time. There it is. So let me go to max, and that will cause a few things to happen. We saw the intensity of the room or convection fan spin up higher, but the duration of off time will be shorter, and the duration of the on time is longer. Notice the difference there. A longer on time, shorter off time. One more cycle. There it is. So Dave, there it is. I've tested your controller completely. I've inspected it. Everything looks good on it. It's fully functional. I like the way that it looks. It's fairly clean. It's got a nice faceplate on it, and it's ready to be reinstalled in your stove. I'm going to send that back to you. When you get it, if you're having problems with your stove, which I suspect you are, give me a call. I'll be more than happy to work with you on that and try to resolve whatever issues you're having. So everyone, thanks for dropping by my channel today. I appreciate that very much. I do hope that you'll take a few seconds to give this video a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that very much. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.